recording? Oh yeah, still recording. I'm just gonna record all of this. All this mess right here. Ain't recording nothing, ain't doing nothing. There's a motorcycle playing on his phone. EMS coming out to say, hey Macarena. Arr. There's a bun. Hey Mr. Man. He was cool. He waved at me. Ha 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 ha. Hit him with the Forrest Gump. I could have swore that EMS turned the other way. Did it really turn that way? Must be needing to pay attention a little bit more. I'm gonna record all the way to the Wickle store, to the Wickle store, to the Wickle, wiki. Ow! Oh, my EBS kicked on. Ooh. Oh yeah, let's just debate on who's going and where we're going and what's going on and oh hi. Oh hi. Oh hi. I just love it. I just love it. I made my bike go blid. Because that's what you do. You don't honk the horn. You go blid. That's what you do. What are they doing over there again? Some type of car show. Gastonia's fine. Well, this is Kings Mountain, so not quite Gastonia. Go over there and put my bike up next to him. Just be like, hey, I got a motorcycle. And down the five circles, I'm just gonna lean back with it, baby. Lean back with it. We'll give you some rope and just sit here like this. Oh, now my box is squeaking. Put too much weight on it. Man, I hope this is working. I can't tell how it's doing. It ought to say if it's recording into the mic or something. It ought to say something. It's all plugged in, right? So, I mean, it should be recording, right? I smell a fire. Despite what that speed limit sign says, right here the speed limit turns to 55 because that sign right there, no, that sign says slow down to 45. So the speed limit right here is 55. See, even my GPS says 55. So you know, we just got people, you know, doing the smart thing, you know, 40, 35. Nope. back out that way because, you know, stupidity and shit. So let's see if I get run over right here. So there definitely is a stop sign right there, and there definitely is a stop sign right here. Hey, another motorcycle guy. Hey, motorcycle guy. He gave me a finger. I wasn't cool enough to get the whole hand. Scoo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo. It is 4:17. I'm actually kind of hungry. Starving, that is. Starving. You was just looking at the flea market, wasn't you? That's all you was doing. Yep. Do-do-do-do. See, I got 2 packs at the house, so I don't need smokes. I'm gonna go the long way to the not ABC store, the damn Dollar General. The Dollar General. I should have got some gas, but I did not, because, you know, living on the edge. Now let's see if he pays attention. No, probably didn't. I just got lucky and got here before him. You can't help yourself from falling. Oh boy. You know something? I think that crappy karaoke would be a good thing to do. You know, you pick a song that you think you know all the words to, but you really don't. And then you get up there and sing it in a silly voice. Like you don't even try. You know, like, I can't think of anything. Like Living on the Edge, you know, something like that. Old. But sing it in the Goofy voice or the Mickey Mouse voice. Woo-hoo. I probably didn't sound anything like Mickey Mouse inside this helmet. Oh boy, we're gonna have some fun today. Yup. Anyway, living on the edge, you can't help yourself from falling. Wah! Speed bump, living on the edge. Hey, you see, we could get up there and me and you, we could sing, we could, you know, living on the edge type thing, or, you know, let me see that tootsie roll, and the tootsie roll, let me see that tootsie, you know. That song, yeah, that song. What am I doing? First gear, where am I going? Oh, Dollar General's right there. Look at this church, cutting the grass, blowing the grass all in the, oh, that's not even the church. That was the church back there, but this guy, this is that guy. Oh no, it is the church. Definitely is the church, blowing dirt all in the road. How you doing there, Mario? You look like a Mario, so I'm gonna call you a Mario. Name's Mario. Mario. Let me just squeeze on up in here. No, I'm not gonna try to fit through that, because I've got my bigs on. If I did not have my bags on, I would fit through there.